How to fix touchpad not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix if your touchpad is not working on Windows 10 or 11, there are a couple of ways to do so. First of all, you want to make sure you have not disabled the touchpad. So simply open up settings, then just go to Bluetooth and devices. From here, you want to scroll and go to touchpad and make sure touchpad is enabled, because if you have basically turned on or turned off touchpad, you will not be able to scroll anything. So you want to make sure to turn it on. You can also see leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. Just disable this. So whenever a mouse is connected, touchpad will not work, but whenever your mouse is disconnected, then it will work. So you want to make sure this is not the issue. After that, go to Windows Update and check if you have any sort of updates, even the minor and the minor of updates, by going to advanced option, by going to optional updates, and update those as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.